got hit with an invalid payment suspension. Here's how to fix it step by step. And here's an example. Your account isn't active. Pretty much they're saying you need a new credit card. And people have been complaining about this on Amazon. It really does take time to fix sometimes and is super annoying, but we've got some tips to get you back and ready to go. Now, here's some tips. The first one is just get on the phone ASAP. Call your credit card company. It's usually on the back of the card, and just be like, hey, this is a credit card, right? Right. Get confirmation that it's a credit card, right? Once you get confirmation it's actually a credit card, then what you're going to do is you're going to explain that there's a block on Amazon, and you're going to say, can you please unblock it? Amazon can't charge the credit card. I don't know why. Can you check into this? Can you make sure there's no blocks on my credit card, right? Tell them that there is no fraud, things like that. That's going to be the basic and the fastest thing you can do. Next, right when you're done that, you're going to go to the buyer side. So once you log into Amazon Seller Central, you're going to go into the top and type in Amazon.com, right? So once you make a Seller Central account, they automatically make you a buyer account too. So just go to Amazon.com, and then you can go into your payments, and then you delete all of your credit cards, delete all of them, all the debit, credit, anything you have on the buyer side. Wait an hour, and then put your credit cards back on the buyer side. Once they're back on the buyer side, go into the seller side and then add those credit cards again. So add the credit card back. So you're like deleting all the credit cards, because on Amazon Seller Central, it's very difficult to delete your credit cards. So on the buyer side, it's very easy. Add them back to Amazon Seller Central. And then usually this works, right? If it doesn't work, then it's time to call mom, dad, friend, whatever, whoever doesn't have an Amazon account and never had an Amazon Seller Central account. Call them. Yo, can I use your credit card real quick? Put their credit card on, and it usually works while you figure out a solution long term, right? But you need to get back on Amazon, right? So I'm just giving you that option, and then you should be fine. You should be good to go, right? Now, why it happens, either your credit card's expired, your credit card bank thinks it's fraudulent, you did a chargeback by accident, that could be it for sure. Billing address is incorrect, right? So you can call, when you call your company, make sure you verify that as well. Credit limit, Amazon's being Amazon. It's not a credit card if they say it's not a credit card. If you're not accepting, there's certain credit cards Amazon doesn't accept, or if it's not an international charge credit card, so they can't be charged internationally, or the bank disabled certain countries. So maybe the bank like says no Amazon US or something, right? So if you're doing ads, you can just use a different credit card, call the bank, right? And then for the future, it's going to be A, B, C, or D, trying to have multiple credit cards. American Express usually works extremely well, right? But, these are going to be the three things that you can do right away. And these should work, especially number two. I've been doing a lot of research and doing this for clients and deleting them all from the buyer side, waiting 1 hour, even 24 hours, coming back, adding them back in, and then going to Seller Central and making sure I add them back. They should be already in the account and add them. And then all of a sudden it works. Happens a lot. We've also tried this one, and this did not hurt the account, right? We just added like a friend's card, and then boom, the account was reactivated. We're like, okay. So, that happens as well from time to time. But that's it for today's video. If you want more Amazon videos, tell me what to cover next in the comments. If you learned something new, drop a like. And if you're an Amazon seller, highly recommend subscribing to our channel, because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Amazon journey. If you need help with increasing sales, anything mentioned in this video, or just help selling on Amazon, contact the EHP Consulting Group. Links right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, signing out.